Hi, I'm William from CYBERTRUCKco, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install your lift rods. Now, to get started, the first thing you'll want to do is place your jack under these rectangular points here. Set your vehicle to jack mode on the inside. This is how you put the vehicle in jack mode. Start at the home screen, go to service, pull down, select jack mode, it's on. Once you've got your vehicle jacked up, it gives you space to remove this lift rod here. So to pop these off, you'll want to use a screwdriver or snap ring pliers. Separate the ball from the sensor and then separate that from the mount. Now to install your new lift rod, you want to have the S-curve away from the control arm. You want it installed in this position, and this is the driver's side. So go ahead and click this into place. Now to replace the back one, you do have to remove the back tire, and we're going to start with a similar step, putting the jack underneath that rectangular mounting point.
Easy.
In our case here, we have our center caps. You got to pop those off. Once you've got your vehicle lifted, you got access to your lug nuts, take them off. So this is the position of the stock sensor. We are on the driver's side. To remove it, we're going to use some snap ring pliers or a flat blade screwdriver. But you'll want to get in here. You have to remove this link here. And the bottom, you'll want to twist it off. Just like that. Your replacement link for the rear, you'll want to place the offset in this form. And I'll show you once it's in place. Once you have your links in place, just return your tire, torque your lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds, and you're ready to go. Now we're going to put the lug nuts back. Now if you don't have one of these torque limiting sticks, torque your lug nuts. Now, the process is identical on the other side. Do all four sides.